Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to phonics class. Today is lesson number 150. Boys and girls, we're going to review our suffix rules. Listen carefully. When a root word ends in one consonant and the vowel is short, double the consonants before adding a suffix beginning with the vowel. When the root word ends with a silent E, the E is usually dropped before adding a suffix beginning with the vowel. And when a root word ends with the Y, the suffix begins with the E, change the Y to an I before adding the suffix. Let's take a look at our board as we practice using our suffix rules. Take a look. I have a combination of prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes is a word part that comes before a root word, and a suffix is a word part that comes after a root word. The hyphen indicate where the root word comes or goes. For example, in asleep, in asleep is a prefix. All and also is also a prefix. Be and because is also a prefix. Full and beautiful is a suffix. Est and biggest is a suffix. And and bigger is a suffix as well. So let's take a look at my word. My root word is way. Which prefix or suffix can I use to make a new word? I can use the prefix in asleep to make a new word. My new word is away. And here's my prefix. Let me circle it. All right, let's take a look at my next word, slip. Slip. Which prefix or suffix should I use to make a new word using the word slip? Let's take a look at slip. Slip has a short vowel and it ends in a single consonant. So when I have a short vowel and it ends in a single consonant, I must double that final consonant before adding the suffix beginning with the vowel. So here's my new word, slipper. I double the P and add ER, and bigger. My new word is slipper. Let's take a look at my next word, steady. Steady. Which prefix or suffix can I use to make a new word? Notice that in steady, it ends in a Y. When you have a root word that ends in a Y, you drop the Y and add an E before adding the suffix. So my new word is going to be steadier. Drop the Y, replace it with an E, and add my suffix, steadier. My letters are too squished together. So let's try that again. I-E-R. Perfect. There you go, steadier. Let's take a look at the next word. My root word is wide. Wide. What prefix or suffix do I add to make a new word? All right, let's take a look at wide. The vowel in wide, I, makes a long sound. So therefore my E is silent. silent. When a root word ends with a silent E, the E is usually dropped before adding the suffix beginning with the vowel. I can use the suffix ER to make a new word. Wider. W-I-D, drop the E and add the suffix in bigger. Wider. Let's take a look at our next word, funny. Funny. Which prefix or suffix can I use to make a new word? Our funny ends with the letter Y. When a root word ends with the Y, the suffix beginning when a root word ends with the Y and the suffix begins with an E, change the Y to an I before adding the suffix. So my root word is funny. My new word is going to be funnier. Change my Y to an I and add ER. Let's take a look at the next word, drop. I need to add a prefix or a suffix to make a new word. The word drop has a short O. The vowel is short and an N in a single consonant. So before I add a suffix, I need to double that final consonant before adding a suffix beginning with the vowel. So I need to double it and add my suffix, ER. Dropper. All right, let's take a look at the word cause. Cause. Which prefix or suffix can I add to make a new word for cause? All right, I'm going to use a suffix. I'm going to use the suffix be and because. So remember, a prefix comes before the root word. Now my word is because. Because. All right, let's take a look at the next word, happy. Which prefix or suffix can I use to make a new word using the word happy? Happy ends with a Y. When a root word ends with a Y and the suffix begins with the E, change the Y to an I before adding the suffix. So my new word is going to be happiest. And then lastly, my root word is most. Which prefix or suffix do I add to make a new word? I'm going to add the prefix all and also. And my new word is almost. All right, boys and girls, thank you for reviewing our suffix rules. Now, boys and girls, take out your notebook and number it 1 through 6. You are going to be writing these special sounds and word in your notebook. Listen carefully. Number 1, write the special sounds ear and ear. Ear and ear. Ear and ear is spelled E-A-R. Ear and ear. The next one. In earth. In earth. Write the special sound. In earth is spelled E-A-R. Notice that ear and ear and earth have the same spelling, but it has a different sound. Next, cool and clean. Cool and clean. Write the special sound. Cool and clean is spelled C-L. All right, boys and girls, write the following word. Write the word dodge. Dodge. Dodge is spelled dodge. D-O-D-G-E. And fudge. Boys and girls, write the next word. Stopping. Stopping. Stopping is spelled S-T-O-P, double the P, and add I-N-G. Stopping. And lastly, boys and girls, write the word cork. Cork. Cork is spelled C-O-R-K. Cork. It has or in morning. All right, boys and girls, thank you for participating in phonics class today. Have a wonderful day.